Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to fix people per hour crashing without the entire platform being down. To start, ensure your browser is up to date with minimal tabs and no corrupted cache or cookies, as outdated or overloaded browsers can cause pages like dashboards, workstream, or proposals to crash or reload unexpectedly. Next, check your internet connection for instability, as a weak or interrupted connection can break the session, leading to pages freezing, actions failing, or the site crashing while submitting proposals or loading messages. Clear your browser cache or try switching browsers if you continue to experience issues. Additionally, be cautious of platform side bugs and glitches, such as being unable to submit proposals, missing notifications, or payment errors, which can cause certain parts of the platform to crash while others work normally. Manage heavy usage by avoiding multiple chats, projects, and tabs at the same time, especially on low-performance devices. Lastly, refreshing the page or waiting for temporary server load or updates to resolve can also resolve the issue in most cases. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.